Consider earning $25 in less than a minute by performing a few simple tasks on your smartphone. How cool would it be if you figured out the secret after seeing this video? I'd like to ask you how many times you believe we should do this. One time you could earn $25, 10 times you could earn $250, and 100 times you could earn $2,500. There is no limit, and I'd like you to specify whether you want 25 or 2,500 in the comment section below. I'm not sure about you, but I'd go with 2,500 or even more, especially given the 3 websites I'm about to show you in this video. They pay out the same day super quickly and effortlessly, and it is entirely free and accessible from anywhere in the world. Please do subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell before we begin. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comment area below. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up if you found it useful. Okay, now let's return to the video. Going back to the video, I recommend you to watch the entire video because I will demonstrate 3 different websites where you can earn money online. Now, if you combine all 3 of these, you will be able to make the most money while simultaneously creating many streams of income, which is great as a result. Watch this video carefully to ensure you don't miss anything. Let me briefly go over some of the other payment options before we get started. How do you get the money you've earned into your bank account? As you can see, you can make money with PayPal. Don't worry if you don't have a PayPal account, your earnings can be deposited directly into your bank account as well. PayPal accepts payments from virtually every country, and you can even cash out in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Of course, before we go any further, please subscribe to my channel and enable the notification bell. Please give this video a huge thumbs up if you find it interesting and helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below. So this is the first website we will do, and all you have to do is do some simple small jobs like watching videos, doing some simple surveys, going to certain websites, or sending some simple emails, and you can earn $3 to $5 by doing so. You can choose one of the jobs that you like, and I will show you which one is the best to do so that you can save a lot of time and spend probably 1 to 2 minutes doing it. This website is called picoworkers.com. This is the first website where we can earn money by completing simple tasks, but you can also get some free money just by signing up. If you sign up for an account, check out this 75 cents welcome bonus. Signing up for an account and then looking for different projects to complete is an easy way to get some free money now. In my personal experience, liking and watching videos is the simplest way to make money on this website, and if you stick with me until the end of this video, I will teach you one cool hack that can quickly multiply your earnings so you can earn even more money than other people who don't watch this video all the way through. And I'd like to show you one more strategy, which is the referral program. If you have a Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or Tumblr account, you may share them with others, including friends and strangers, and you can earn commissions if they sign up and complete the task for which you were rewarded. The more referrals you get over time, the more commissions you will earn. Making this your second source of passive income, you can always initiate the task yourself if you don't want to rely on commissions or referrals. Everything, including watching and liking movies, is available for $2 or 50 cents, which is fantastic because it takes less than 30 seconds in any event in order for the corporation to pay you. You must complete the task on this website, then you must provide proof of your work. I will show you how to accomplish it step by step so you don't make any mistakes. Many people submit it incorrectly or do not submit anything at all, which is why these services are not profitable. But first, look at the second website where you can earn points. This is a point-based system, and once you've earned all of the points, you can cash them in for $1 for every 1,000 points earned. And I will teach you a secret method for earning 500,000 points in a single day that no one else knows about, as well as a special trip for you if you are from outside the United States. To get started, simply download Proton VPN, a free VPN service that you can use on your computer or mobile device, so that you can actually join up when you go to their website, protonvpn.com. Because I know a lot of you guys out there are nations blacklisted, you will not be able to join up in your country, so make sure you download and use the Proton VPN or another alternative. Before we go any further, please do subscribe to my channel and enable the notification bell. Please give this video a huge thumbs up if you find it interesting and helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below. Now it's time to get back to work and earn some money. Earnably is the name of the second website. It is a legitimate website, but if you're from one of the smaller countries, you will need to sign up for it with Proton VPN. You can earn money simply by watching videos. All you have to do is click one of these companies, go to their website and watch the video from start to finish without skipping anything. You can let it play in the background while on the phone and do other things while it plays in the computer. The best thing is that having a large number of mobile devices in your homes, such as 2 or 3 phones with your parents, family, and siblings, is even better because you may earn even more money. In addition, if you use both of these websites to get through this, we can easily make $25 in less than a minute. Remember to focus on watching and liking videos. Everything else will waste your time, and surveys will give you very little money. So now I will show you the third website, streetbees.com. On this website, they give you a fairly simple task to complete, and you must look at these 10 euros, 5.45 yen. You can make a lot of money every time you send a text or a message. Take a look at this and discover that you can log in, sign up, and create a free account. If you have a smartphone, they ask you to take photos of coffee and other items and then send you a message to which you must respond, and they occasionally ask you to upload the photos. For example, take a photo of the shoes you're wearing today and send it to earn $5. This is usually pretty simple, and they want you to take a few basic photos every day, such as simple scenery shots. Subscribe to my channel once again and enable the notification bell. Please give this video a thumbs up if you find it interesting and helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions, please do leave them in the comment section below. And what are the things that they need you to do is simply snap the photos and email it to them. You can now earn money. This is how you can make money using StreetBees. This app is now free in the Google Play Store and the App Store. Simply pick one of the tasks to respond to a question and you will be paid in cash. When you click the Join Now button, you will be taken to the App Store, or if you have an Android phone, you can go to the Google Play Store where you can see that they have a good rating based on reviews, and this product is rated 4 stars. Simply download the apps and spend 2 to 5 minutes per day finishing a story, sending a message, and earning $5. Furthermore, I'd like to draw your attention to their StreetBees Ambassador program, which I would like to discuss with you. You can join them and get paid to help them expand in your country because they're still a small company. If you're from different countries across the world, whichever country you're from, now is a fantastic time to join this firm because it is trending and you can apply now from anywhere in the world. While they're still expanding in this number of various countries, and you will be paid highly for sharing a story and sending a message to their system with a simple, brief question because it is still relatively new and there is no competition. Many people are completely unaware that these websites exist. To apply to be a StreetBees ambassador, simply enter your name and email address, fill out this form, and click the Apply Now button. Well, that is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it and you learned something new about this content. If you find this video useful, please leave a huge thumbs up and comment down below if you have questions. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification bell so you will be updated whenever I post a new video. Once again, thank you so much and I'll see you in the next one.